Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. And for the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a Playful elementary school layout pack with 7 different pages. These pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the elementary school layout pack. So we have 7 different layouts that are included. We have a home page layout, a landing page layout, a staff page layout, a programs page layout, a contact page layout, a blog page layout, and an about page layout. And let's just take a look at these different layouts so you can see what they look like. And this is the home page, for instance, and as you can see, the structure really matches what you'd expect from an elementary school website. You can share all of the general information, people can log in, you can share quick information, the location, school hours, phone and email details, and you can basically share all of the information that parents and students need to know. So this is what you see on desktop, and I'll just show you really quick what this looks like on different devices as well. So I'll just enable the visual builder over here. And if I click on the icon located at the bottom of this page, I will be able to switch to tablet and mobile view over here. And let's take a look at the tablet view first. So this is what you get. And this is what you'll be able to see on phone. So everything is fully responsive. This looks equally as good on phone and tablet as it does on desktop. All right, so if you want to make modifications to the pages, you can do that using Divi's Visual Builder. And I'll just exit this page and go to the landing page. So you can see what that layout looks like as well. So as you can see, this is really a very nice design. You have these tabs over here that you can link to other pages on your website over here as well. So this is a playful design, but it still does everything you would expect from an elementary school website. So you're just ready to go, ready to modify everything and make it fit with your elementary school website. So let's just enable the visual builder over here. And you can make all the modifications to one layout. And there was a feature that got released recently, which will really help you be real productive when modifying these layout packs. And I'll show you what I mean. So you can make modifications to each one of these sections, rows or modules within this layout pack. So I'll just open this module, for instance, and you can go manually and change every one of the settings that have been applied to this module, or you can just go to the filter over here and choose modified styles. And over here you will see all of the modifications that have been made to this module, and you can just simply play around with these. So you don't have to go to each one of the settings and just figure out what changes have been made to it and how you can change those settings that have been made. So you can simply modify anything you want over here without having to touch the options that haven't been modified already. All right, so you can do that for each one of the elements on your page. You can do that for each one of the text modules, for instance. You can do that for each one of these section settings. And this will really help you make everything easier when changing everything around and making it match with what you had in mind. So just go from there. And if you want to change a layout entirely, you can do that as well by clicking on the icon located at the bottom of this page and going to the plus icon. And of course, you can match different layout packs with each other. But if you want to choose a layout from the elementary school layout pack, you can simply scroll down until you come across it, and it's located at the bottom. So it's the newest layout pack. And over here you can see all of the layouts that are included, and you can view the live demo first if you want to, so you can see what it looks like once it's installed on a website without actually having to use it on your own first. And over here you can see all of the different layouts, and if you're ready to use one of these layouts, you simply have to click on use this layout. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.